I just want to do a quick unboxing video of my Chalk Couture starter kit. I just signed up. If you're interested in signing up or buying anything, please get in touch with me via PM or comment below. So this is my starter kit. It costs $99 and you get quite a lot of stuff. I'm in Hawaii, so the shipping was a little high because of the size of the box, and everything came very well packaged, so no breakage. Let's open this big box. See how nicely packaged it is. Don't want to show you my address. So this is what you get in the kit. It's called the Spring 2018 Starter Kit. Oh, are we out of... There we go. Okay. So you get quite a few things. This is the kind of the binder that it comes with. And here's the transfers. It comes with we are thrilled to have you on our team. I did sign up under Ken Hess, and he is remarkable. He is very supportive, so if you sign up under me, he would be our sponsor. And look how cute, the cactus. Don't touch this. And these are, and it's under there, these are the transfers that you can use with the chalk paint. And you can use them on any surface. And these are the instructions. So we get one. Here's one that says Sparkle. I do plan on using these on planner dividers, as well as, like it said, any surface. You can even use it on fabric. So Sparkle, that's super cute. And then these are the other small ones. It says Be-You, and then Tiful, Unique. So Be-You-Tiful, Be-Unique. I think that's so clever. So that's 3. And then these are some big ones. And there's, if you notice, there's white lines, so you can cut them apart and they become individual. So this is a big transfer sheet with a bunch of flowers, and you can layer. I love Altenew stamps, and these are like that, so you can layer to get different colors. I believe you can layer these. And here's some words: birthday, and candles, candlesticks, flames. I really like the fonts that they use. So here's another big one. And this one is numbers and like a laurel leaf and established. So if you want to, I'm planning on putting the year here because I decided to join in 2018. So you can cut these numbers out and you can use them on any kind of it doesn't have to be in here, but you can use the numbers anywhere. Birthday, cards, etc. And then here's another one. Live life in full bloom. And a beautiful, looks like a cherry blossom. And again, you can layer. So solid color and the outline. 2 different colors would be really pretty. And this is the Chalk Couture. If you want to use this for your business, join my team, Chalk Couture. This is a nice circle. Play, share, build, design, love, report. So you can use these individually again. Cut them apart. And this is a binder on your startup guide. There is a lot of help. So you can always ask me, or if I don't know the answer, I can ask my upline Ken. So those are what comes in the binder. It comes with these chalk paste. So there's 5. And look at the colors. I haven't even opened it. 2 squeegees, a small one and an angled. So it comes with yellow, pink, like a gray, white, and a green. White is the most popular. So if you want to order, this is what you do get in the kit. We also get these thank you cards that you can hand out to customers. It says thank you for your purchase. So I plan on doing something with that. You do get a apron So if you get all dirty, you have the apron. And we have the round. So I was planning on using this for that laurel wreath and putting established and the year. So this will be my sign that I'll probably hang up. It's just a really nice, sturdy, round sign. And then this also came, and you can pick up, you know, because the shipping is high to Hawaii, like you can use anything you have lying around the house. I plan on doing some succulent plants. So terracotta, I'm going to be doing the, sorry about this not opening. So let me get this. Sorry about that. So, ooh. Let me get some scissors. 1 second. Okay, so you can go to any craft store and you can get chalkboard. But of course, Chalk Couture does sell their own. And it's a really nice distressed, really nice, smooth. They're very high quality. And it's nice and distressed, which I love. So I plan on doing something on here, and I probably won't make it permanent, so I could wipe it off and reuse it. And again, I was planning on giving little gifts, so I'll buy little terracotta planters, and put succulents inside and give them away, and I will decorate them using my paste, which I will heat set, and it will become permanent, and spray a little varnish on it. So there it is. If you have any questions, again, comment or send me a message. Thank you. I am so excited. Thanks. Bye.